Hey guys, we're here today to replace my exhaust with this shiny stainless steel one. Woo! And special guest Titus. You can see his legs. What's up? But I know my car's got a ton of rust. We're hoping we don't run into much of it. But it's probably gonna take a couple days anyway, knowing me, and all I can do is work in a parking lot. So here we go, but it's gonna be nice and shiny and sound awesome. Let's get to it. Before we even started, went to grab this piece from my room. I didn't realize how sharp the edges are. So,
Yeah.
yep. There's a lot of blood. Oh, there's blood on my finger. There's blood all over this because of this piece.
Hopefully that's not how the day's gonna go.
Hopefully we're getting it out of the way.
Yeah.
But I think there's a first aid kit in the car. Inside. This is so much easier than it was before. Wow. Look at that. They're all loose already. It's amazing. So I actually don't have the grease guard already on here, so that makes one less step for us. So I'm not complaining. So to kill the time, I am removing the mud flaps because I got better ones. Got rally armor instead of these Sparco plastic ones that are, yes, they are held in there by self-tapping wood screws. We're just not going to talk about it. Away with you.
Since I didn't have the grease guard, I went right at the manifold bolts. Each side of the 2.8 liter has 3 13mm bolts. The bottom two are very easy to reach. However, the top one is wicked close to the O2 sensor, which gave us some trouble. I would recommend a short 1/4 inch ratcheting wrench for all the bolts.
Welcome to the Parking Lot Mechanic, where we challenge ourselves to only do things in a parking lot. And it's a really bad idea. Oh, I did something. This is fun. It's gonna be worth it. You got one off, John? You're a beautiful human being.
Let me zip this so I don't get my white shit dirty.
Don't get your white shit dirty, Hannah. Hannah's trying.
Which side do I use?
The 13.
Hold on, let me take off my ring.
Since we were having trouble with the top bolt by the O2 sensor, we decided to move to the other side to see what else we could do.
You might have done something. That might have actually worked. Oh, it worked. It did? Yeah. Nice. The rope trick worked again. Gotta love it. So, this was not coming off. You just look, you can see right there, there's just so much rust. Crap, that was not coming off without shearing. Those were going to be stuck together for a while. Oops. That ain't getting nothing.
Since the rope trick didn't work so well for that next bolt, we tried to get the O2 sensors off on the other side, since we lost the only socket that could fit behind them.
We got this out, and as you can see, it needed to be replaced because it's all mangled up right now, but we're trying to work the O2 sensor out right now, and It's just sheared completely. I could just take that right off. It looks like there's a... We got it.
Mission complete.
Well, half complete.
Well, yeah,
See?
sort of.
That's the pipe that got welded in there like that.
Yeah.
Huh. It's a little different. It's a little nice. Yeah, see this? I ripped this on that one, and then I'd have a friend weld in a temporary fix, which then went a couple weeks ago while I was filming my other drifting about video. But I had these already, so I just gotta put them in now, and that's what we're trying to do, but it's difficult. So we're here today for day 2, and it's just me, but since we got one of the catalytic converters off, I actually found out that the O2 sensors are completely seized on there, and you can get them off, but it involves a blowtorch, cutting the wire to get an open closed-ended socket over top. Figured it was one of those jobs that if you do it right the first time, so I had to get all new O2 sensors, so I can't quite complete the job today because they're not in yet, but Saturday, a couple days, we should be good. So I normally do 2-day projects, but this one's gonna be 3-day. Was that it? Please tell me.
After finally getting that last bolt out, I moved on to the hangers.
Best part about this is sunbathing.
Two of the 3 rear muffler hangers are held in by 14mm bolts. The front position rear muffler hanger has 15mm bolts, but those were stripped on mine, so I left that hanger alone. The mid muffler hanger is held in by 2 T40 Torx bolts. When removing the O2 sensors, remember the route that they took, as it is the most effective.
Who's ready to do some workouts? What?
I was curious to see if there would be any weight loss after this project. On the car, not me, but I could use it. I first weighed myself, and then myself with the old exhaust. The total weight was 91.2 pounds. The total weight of the new exhaust was 47.8 pounds. That's a loss of 43.4 pounds. Weight reduction, bro!
Alright, so what we're doing now is we're actually putting copper gasket maker, because I broke one of the bolts, just to try to get it to seal better, and I figured why not do it on both sides just to keep it sealed. And then we're going to put some copper anti-seize compound on the nuts and bolts and throw everything back together. We should be good pretty quick, but it's day 3. Took a little longer than expected and to mix up with parts, but it'll be good. We got this. Alright, so these look a lot better than the other junk that I just got out, the down pipes and the catalytic converter. And I actually have flex pipes, woo! But these are MagnaFlow high flow direct fit cats, so they should allow for a couple more horsepower, especially paired with a better breathing exhaust like that. Should be maybe somewhat noticeable. I'm not expecting anything drastic, but it'll sound good and be a lot more fun.
A garage and a lift would have made this job a whole lot easier. But this channel isn't called the Garage and Lift Mechanic. There are 4 O2 sensors in all on the 2.8 liter. The two black plugs are the upstream sensors and are on their respective sides. The downstream sensor plugs are both located on the passenger side of the engine bay. The green plug is for bank 1 or the passenger side. The brown plug is for bank 2 or the driver's side. These plugs are slightly different, so make sure you get the correct ones.
He's down in there somewhere. Brandon seems like a nice guy. Trying to give it more of like a sitcom feel, you know, or not a sitcom, but like a reality TV show feel.
Mhm.
You know, it's like me and Brandon here are gonna have like some like friendship issues later on in the season or something.
Mhm.
And-
Shut up, don't spoil it.
Sorry.
This is all scripted. Every single second. Please be in. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. Oh my gosh, my arms are so tired. Where is the thingy?
Totally scripted.
Oh,
Where's the
I have the
thingy?
wrench.
I thought of that one.
Thank you. You're the best. It's like a snake scarf.
I feel like there's something missing about right here. I'm not sure what it is, but something belongs there.
Just because my car's full of rust and everything, I'm gonna put valve clean in, then Ceratec oil additive just to hopefully keep it running good. Hopefully. That's a hopefully. That's a hard hopeful. So, well, oh my gosh. While I was parked in 2 spots, I was hoping to be done in a day, but I wasn't, so I had to park here for a bit. People egged my car. And I'm trying to get the egg off. Oh my gosh. Yes, it is rude. But it's also kind of funny. Ugh. Not gonna lie, I do find it kind of funny. Coming out. Is it a leak right here? Going out the back. It's coming straight out of the rear exhaust. It is coming straight out? Dude, I think I hear a leak up there.